microphone is back working. I just had to shoot off and sort something out, and then sort a couple of things out. So yeah, I'm still back in Realms, so just internet's been so bad last day or two. Today seems alright, apart from my PC. I use Amazon Music. Something is firing arrows at me here. Where? What? Can't help you. Can't get over there, I'm afraid. And I haven't got any bow and arrows. So you're gonna go there. Oh, that's not nice. I was gonna say just go in. There we go. So, yeah, I use Amazon Music, and I've had problems with the desktop app. In the past, I think it was actually a couple of weeks ago, maybe a month or two ago, and it was just very slow and just would stop responding, and I tried closing the app and then restarting systems every time, and it still does the same thing, and then I think for a couple of days it would not work properly. So I think I went onto the Amazon website and tried streaming my music through that, because I pay for Amazon Music, and yeah, powered down my system yesterday, and it's like powered it on, thinking right, everything's gonna be fresh, it's gonna be fine, and then everything's fine apart from Amazon Music, and it was just like it was doing the same thing, just the thumbnails weren't loading properly, click on bits of it and it just doesn't load, and then I think I have 2 versions of the program or something. So I've actually closed it and given up now, because it's starting to really pee me off. So hopefully it's going to do the same as last time, so it'll be a couple of days and it'll sort itself out, which is annoying because I like to play music while I'm playing Minecraft, just to keep focused. So where were we? We need to get those arrows. Can I get these without falling? Oh my god. So, can't get over there. Oh, now I'm stuck here. This isn't very good, is it? Just for some arrows. So yeah, what was I saying? Clock, and then I'm working on the bell now, which seems a bit small at the moment, but it's work in progress. Must be adjusting my glasses. So going up here, this is the best way to appreciate the bell. It doesn't look much when you look at it from down there. So right, no, still doesn't. You can't appreciate it. So I think last time, before I go on the bell thing, I think last time, see, I can't. This is scaffolding to do particular bits, and then there you go. So I think last time I can't remember last week if I showed, yeah, I'd finished, or maybe I'm not sure if I'd finished the roof. So yeah, anyway, I have finished the roof now. That is definitely done. Because I just wanted to get it all covered, because it's this thing with mobs. But yeah, come here and then you appreciate how much is to do, and how big it is. So I haven't seen it from a distance since I've seen it, what it looks like with the roof on, but obviously with the scaffolding all over it on the outside as well, it doesn't give me a clear picture of what it's going to look like. So what were we talking about? Okay, so the bell, I could just not remember, for the love of God, what a bell looks like. So I googled for images, and okay, right, so there we go. So this, I wonder if I can retrieve. Oh, I've retrieved it. That was stuck in wood. It must have fell down. So I threw it up because those raptor things or whatever that fly around, they were flying around, they were stuck in the roof space. So I'd already shot one with like arrows, and then I was run out of arrows. I thought, right, I'm going to throw him a trident, and then it got stuck in the wood, and then I tried coming up here and putting dirt blocks to try and elevate myself up and just try and pick it up. It just wouldn't give me a bit back, so it's clearly dropped out. So that's good. Put these back. So just organise myself. Right, so yeah, so the bell is going to be huge, so I've decided to do it. I was going to make it out of all cobblestone deep slate because I wanted it to be like dark, so it's like noticeable and stuff. So, but then I thought, right, well, a bell's made out of metal, so why don't use copper? So obviously that's going to be the bell support, wire, rope, whatever you want to call it. Clearly it's not going to move for real. So, and then I'm just trying to make the shape, so kind of this like plus, and then yeah, you get the idea. And then it's going to go either square or rectangular down, and then it's going to go further out, but it needs to be big. So I've run out of copper now. I had loads of copper, so I've like crafted like using 64 copper to make so many blocks. But I need to go and get me the rest of my copper now because I'm out. So it needs to fulfill the entire of this space. So really, that's nothing to the side of what it's going to be. So it needs to be coming. It needs to fulfill this entire space. So yeah. Anyway, let's see what things are looking like on the outside, because I need to go and do a lot of odd jobs. So while I'm down here, right, okay. So if I step from distance, so what this is about. This is, I have in my mind like pillars with this kind of swirling effect on the outside. That is what that is supposed to be. So obviously it's not stairs. That's how it's supposed to be. I've just ran out of I think this is andesite. So And once I put a door in, and then maybe I put a few odd blocks here and there, maybe some glowstone, remove the scaffolding, then it will just look a bit better. But you can sort of see it, you can sort of not see it, so yeah, I'm not sure. That's what I'm trying to achieve. So right, so we're not going to go through there because like there's nothing really. Well, I say I'm not going to go through there, but there's nothing really to appreciate. Right, so we've got no right, we know what we need to do. So we said we need nothing in there. Ah, that's what I want. Right, get rid of all this trash. So yeah, now obviously I've got me furnace and me chest out here and stuff. Well, obviously that was as stuff was being built, and I had, you know, that was me building site, and it's just a little tad bit annoying now going out here, opening these doors, trying to fetch stuff because all the mobs are outside. But I need to get the outside space kind of. I need to work on the outside space and get it all lit up. So that's probably not helping. So, but yeah, this is annoying me now. I have to open the door just to go and get this. So I'm running out of space. I've got more chests. So yeah, this just does look a bit funny, but see, I think even if I put these in the wall, you just wouldn't appreciate it. You wouldn't see it. I mean, from a distance, from a really far distance, you'd see what I'm trying to achieve. So I'm not sure. I mean, I might try and see if I can put another block in between. I'm not sure. I'm just doing random things. Let's leave before any more trouble starts. So back to the doors again. Right. Oh my god. So yeah, next week I just want to go back to normal, get back to normality. So I've got like 2-3 weeks, and then I've actually got a week off. So I'll be ready for that week off by then, because I'm starting to be tested now, I think, patience wise. Do you know when you just go through a period of work, and then it just builds up and 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 builds up, and it's just like, I think it's like that, and then I just need a bit of a break, just to reset. So let's fix this while we're up here. So we said that. Can I put something there? Oh, look at that. There we go. Can I put one there? Perfect. Right. That's exactly what I want. So, just to double check, can we put torches on them? We can put torches on them. Right, because obviously I've got a torch at each pillar here. So, we're not going to put... I'm going to put one there for now. Not sure I like it now. It's just from obviously from the ground, um, this is all going to be lit up. So when you look up, that's what I'm trying to achieve here. So let's. Yeah, I think like my next day off is like Wednesday and Sunday, or Saturday. I'm not sure next week, but yeah, I just need to get back to normal next week. The week after is a bit higgledy pickledy. It's like a bit all over the place, and then yeah, give me a few weeks, I'll be back to normal for me anyway. I'll be glad that I'm rid of whatever I've got, because it's not been fun. So let's put these in here for now. Let's get rid of. Okay. Right. Now now we can actually make some progress. So stepping away from the structure. So there we go. Right. See? You can see it. I like it. So picture it without the scaffolding. See the clock, you can see the clock. It just needs, I just think it needs like a bit of a dark rim around it. Or it does need, I think, the buttons, which I was touching on at the end of the first half of the recording before I ran off, just to mark the clock positions. But you can see that it's a clock. So, and also you can see the bell, or the start of it. So yeah, okay, so let's see how it looks from down the path. The video's a bit jittery again, isn't it? Yeah, moving into realms, it hasn't fully fixed the issue, but oh, hang on, let's see what it's like from over there. Yeah, with the scaffolding it's just a bit messy, so it's just hard to, I mean, now I've got a staircase, I can actually start to get rid of some of the scaffolding. And seal up like these points of entry and stuff, which will help with mobs. But yeah, you can sort of see it. So how does it look from? Okay. Right, that doesn't bother me, so I can't see that fencing doesn't really cause me any issues. I didn't want to really see. I like these pillars. I'm going to work on these pillars a bit more, and I kind of feel as well maybe that second tier needs pillars. I'm not sure. It, getting the roof over the rest of it as well will bring it all together, but yeah, once I get rid of all the scaffolding, it'll be a bit clearer. But yeah. So I need to get copper, I need to get, oh my goodness, there's a lot I need to get. I need to repair a tool. What else do I need to do? I need to find something to craft for those buttons. So what I was talking about, whether stone could be crafted as buttons, or I think wood can. So I think wood's probably the best way to go. So I might try spruce. It needs to be all dark oak buttons maybe. Needs more andesite. Let's have a look. Let's have a look down. I can hear my cats. Let's have a look. Right. Oh no. Let's have a look. I mean, from this point of view, from when you're in the village, I mean, yeah. It looks cool. So I've got a few more villages now, that's good. Right, I think I'm out of... Definitely out of copper. Diamond. I've been looking for diamonds and... I need to... I'm running out. I think I might have touched on that in the last video. I think I went on a mining spree trying to find them, but kept getting killed or something. Anything I want in there? No, it's not andesite, then it's something else. Calcite. I know what it is. I can see it. You make worktops with it. In real life, marble, something else. No, it's gone. Okay, right. Clearly, there's nothing we're going to achieve over here. So, I think I need to go back to the other base. No, nothing in here. Right, yeah. We've been in there, haven't we? Yeah, okay. Right, let's see what happens. So, I did create a path here somewhere. There's a baby donkey. Because this village is quite... Oh no, it's going to night again. I probably should have slept before I left. Because this village is quite far out, I think I did do a path. Right, this is the path, there we go. So we don't know, this freaking jerky video is back. I think I am literally, instead of realms, eventually I'm going to move it onto server. To take the stress off. Right, let's just stick to the pathway. See, at night, yeah, it kind of looks cool. You can't really appreciate it from that distance with the torches, I mean. Oh dear, dear, dear. this isn't going to end well, is it? Oh, no, it's not going to end well at all. It's like, I could have sworn I just heard a creeper as well. Right. Let's go here. I think this is going to be quite a long recording today. I know the last few recordings have been probably quite brief, but I've got quite a lot to talk about. So. I've had so much coffee today, seriously. Well, no, I haven't actually, I lie. I've had my normal amount of coffee for this time, but I feel like I've had stronger than usual. So. Okay. So yeah, I've not done any changes. I'm going to try and do some more work this week if I can. I've got a busyish week this week, so, and I've got quite a lot of things on to do on my list, so it depends if I get anything done. It might be at the end of the week this week, and definitely next week is I'm just all over the place, so we shall see. Yeah, creeper damage that was done around here, as usual. Right, let's see if we got anything in here that we need. So, ooh, we need that. 2 diamonds. Should I take a diamond? I need to repair a sword, which I've forgotten is in storage, so let's not. Yeah, I need to go and find some more diamonds. So I'm out. I had a nice collection, because now I'm starting to use diamond armor, diamond tools. Not got to diamond armor yet. Right, we've got no. Yeah, let's get rid of. Oh no, can't get rid of that. Get rid of nothing in there. Okay, let's. Oh no, not again. What is it with things firing at me? I don't think he's gonna go. I can't get to him. Let's see. He'll come down. Who's that? Oh, hang on. Can I jump up? Oh, I just knew this was going to end badly. is he? Is he in the tree? I think I give up with this guy because he's. Just come to me. Thank you. I want the arrows. Okay. No, wrong door. So. Right. Just him. Okay. We need more than that. So yeah, literally, I'm just going back to my other bases just to retrieve copper and just a couple of other resources that I need. Do need to go and start digging for more diamonds and stuff. Which while I'm over here, there's another mine I can go through. I might go and have a look. Because I need to build them back up. And then I think, obviously, yeah, once I've done this, I will go back to the bell tower and then continue working on that. I think, but that's probably going to be it for today. I think so. It's kind of pointless me recording any more down here because all I'll be doing is literally just gathering a couple of things, crafting like doors and stuff. So yeah, I'm probably going to leave it here for this week, and then I will post any if I do any major changes today. But yeah, today's just getting back into this and just just gathering and stuff. So yeah. So yeah, I shall see you next week.